In a time where everything is AI slop, Meta's new Facebook Verify program might help humans to identify other humans. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. Meta will check your facial recognition selfie against your existing profile pictures to verify your account, which only takes a few minutes. Interestingly, Meta's chosen to use facial recognition after it got backlash over facial recognition inside its smart glasses. To qualify for a verified account, you'll have to be over 18 and in good standing with Facebook's community standards. Once you pass the test, your verified badge will appear across Marketplace, dating, and other parts of Facebook's sites and services. The big difference between this and the old Facebook badge is that it's explicitly only identity confirmation, not endorsement from Facebook or any guarantee of their trustworthiness. Plus, unlike Meta Verified, it's entirely free. This feature is launched to stop scammers who use generative AI tools to create and use fake profiles with realistic profile images, photos, and backstories, and are capable of sending automated messages at scale. It's an attempt by Meta to protect its users to some extent from fraud and scams. Along with this, Facebook is also pushing users into immersive video. Meta calls it a reimagined experience that will test full-screen videos for a section of users the moment they open the app, just like TikTok. But luckily, Meta says users will have the option to opt out and go back to a typical newsfeed interface if they want. The feature won't be available for pages or pro mode accounts and will be gradually rolled out across Facebook in selected markets with plans to expand globally. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.